Okay, this is my three-wheeler. In case you're wondering, the tire up front had a big hole in it, and I had to take it off. And I'm going to put a tube in it. There we go. And so my three-wheeler runs great and everything, but I was just wondering if anybody could help me out with figuring out what this ticking noise was. I don't know if it's the timing chain or the CDI or what. Let's see. Gas on. Where's the choke on? But it's just that darn ticking noise. I don't know what it is, and I'm afraid of it. But if you can help me out, and I'm wanting to know what that is, easy job. Please tell me, and thank you.